Hey guys, today I want to talk about a Python program that I wrote to determine the future value of the top 100 cryptocurrencies. And I'm just going to show you my results here first, and then I'll go into detail on how I got these results, what the numbers mean, and sort of define everything that happened here. So the first column here is the name of the currency, then we have the ticker, we have the percentage of the total global cap. That's the percentage of this number, the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. And we're just going to assume these numbers stay the same into the future so that we can determine the future prices. So here's the current price of each of these currencies. And this is the price, say if the total market cap here was equivalent to gold at 7.7 trillion. This would be the price of, say, Bitcoin, 36.8 trillion narrow money. I'll define what that means in a little bit, but it would be 733K, 73 trillion. This is the total value of the world's stock markets. It would be equivalent to 1.4 million, 90.4 trillion. This is broad money. I'll also define that one a little bit. It would be 1.8 million. 217 trillion, this is the total value of all real estate. It would be equivalent to 4.3 million. 544 trillion, such as derivatives such as futures contracts and options contracts, would make this Bitcoin price 10 million. Alright, so now let's go into detail about where I found these numbers, and then later on just describe the Python program and how I wrote it, and kind of all the details about that. So where I got the numbers such as the gold value and narrow money and broad money and things like that are from this website, and I'll link it in the description. So first thing we need to know here is that each one of these black squares is equivalent to $100 billion. And you can see cryptocurrency here. Since this was made in October, Bitcoin's price was about 100 billion, and altcoins combined were 45 billion, Ethereum's 28 billion. But today, Ethereum is around 100 billion, so it would be about one square, and Bitcoin's 300 billion, so it would be 3 squares. And here's, next we can see Apple at the time was worth 807 billion. And you can see it has 8 squares here with a little extra. I think today it's around 900 billion. This market cap hasn't surpassed Apple yet, but I think it will pretty soon. Here's the 50 richest people, their total net worth combined, around 1.9 trillion. California's GDP, 2.9 trillion. Federal Reserve balance sheet, 4.5 trillion. This is the combined value of all the coins and banknotes in circulation, 7.6 trillion. Combined value of above ground gold that's already been mined, 7.7 trillion. Global stock markets combined value, 73 trillion. Narrow money, this is the total value of the world's easily accessible money. This includes the world's coins, banknotes, and checking deposits, 36.8 trillion in green up here. Broad money, the total value of the world's money is 94.4 trillion. This includes coins, banknotes, money market accounts, as well as saving, checking, and time deposits. So this isn't as easily accessible, but it still exists in the world's economy. Global debt, 215 trillion. Global real estate, 217 trillion. Derivative market, this is the futures, contracts, options, warrants, swaps. A derivative is a contract between two or more parties that derives its value from the performance of an underlying asset, index, or entity. And 544 trillion they say is a low estimate. It could be in the quadrillions, is their upper estimate. And there's the value of Bitcoin compared to this behemoth. So let's get into the Python program. Alright, so I used CoinMarketCap's API to gather information, current information. So here's the URL to capture the global data, such as the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. Here's the ticker URL. I looped through this and got 100 cryptos, values, and available supplies, and current price. So here I'm just grabbing the global market cap. So I get the global URL and then pass in this value into the global market cap variable. And then I initialize a table. This is the table down here. And so it automatically gets the top 100. So I just loop through these top 100, get the name, the ticker symbol, percentage of global market cap. So I calculated this by saying, okay, what's the market cap of this currency we're currently on, and divide that by the global market cap in order to get this percentage here. Current price here. This I just grabbed from the API. Available supply. These are the total coins in circulation. So there's like around 16 million for Bitcoin right now. And here's where I calculated each change. Like this is for gold, 7.7 trillion. I multiplied it by the percentage of the global cap, and I divided it by the available supply, and I rounded it to 2 decimal places. And then down here I just converted all of those up here into strings so that I could append them to the table. And then I just added it to the table, one row at a time. And I'm going to post all this data in a Google Sheet so you guys can check that out. And if you want to download it, you can. But as you guys can see, if cryptocurrency grows to these values, we're going to be seeing huge returns, 10x, 100x, 1000x returns. I think this number right here is the most realistic. Say cryptocurrency does become the main way we transact value, then it's most realistically going to be around here. And the main three, Bitcoin, 1.8 million, Ethereum, 123K, Litecoin, 31K. I also like IOTA right now. It's really interesting with the Tangle, and so around $500. And yeah, if you guys want to check out this, I'm definitely going to post it on Google Sheets. And please give me a like and subscribe. And if you could share this, that would be awesome. And yeah, that's mainly it. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think. Alright, have a good day.